C, Java, C++, HDL, whatever the language they want, or even Python, they can take and they can do the simulation. Now let us go to the today's class. Now source coding, 13th class today we are discussing now, and today we will try to complete the Huffman coding. Copy down, we will directly start the problem statement only, and along with the procedure we will try to solve the problem. Determine the Huffman code. Determine the Huffman code for the following sequences, for the following messages with their probabilities given: M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Their probabilities are 0.05, 0.15, 0.2, 0.05, 0.15, 0.3, 0.1. So I'll pause for another few seconds, copy down the symbols and their respective probabilities. Now arrange them in the descending order. Even though you have done it, you copy it. Without seeing that, you do it fast. I'll wait for another 10 seconds. Don't see that what you have copied, just do it fast. Next step, continue. What I have to do? Add the bottom two. Again arrange the probabilities in the descending order. 0.1, again above 0.3, 0.2 will remain same. So I'll rewrite. Again I will add the bottom two. Again I'll keep them in the order. 0.1, 0.1, it will become 0.2. 0.2 I'll keep it. I'll write 0.3, 0.2, 0.15, 0.15 I'll go to the next. Now I have to add the bottom two. 0.15, 0.15, it will become 0.3. Again I'll arrange in the order. And there is no rule that you can take, we'll see in the another problem. Can I take top, sir? We'll see that. Is there any change or not? That we'll observe later. And 0.2, 0.2, again I'll add 0.2, 0.2. It will become 0.4. Again arrange them in the descending order. Add 0.3, 0.3. It will become 0.6. Arrange them in the descending order. Next you have 0.4, 0.6. No need to add, it will become 1. Simply assign zeros and ones. Assign 0, assign 1. Continue from right to left. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1. Next you have to write the codes. For M6, for example, the code is move left to right and note down bits, reverse the bits. I have a 0, I have 1, go according to the direction. I have another 0, 0, 0 will be the bits. If you reverse also, you will get a 0, 0. So like that, reversing I'll get 0, 0. Like that M3 if I do it, M3 also according to the direction will go according to the probabilities. 0.2, 0.2, again 0. Now I'll get 1. So write down the code word for all the symbols like this. And you can type your codes in the chat box. Sripad M3, 10, M5, 010. Do it. Don't copy from the previous what you have done. So do it and write down. Good, Sripath. Bharat Kulkarni, Simran, M2 they have typed. Good. Network is going. I will reconnect if network goes. Left. If possible, you can do it. So I think some of the students they have done reverse. Prajakta 011, she has typed, it should be 110. Because network was not there, I could not see all your messages. Now I am seeing it. So please remember these points. Let us go to the next. So average length, hope all of you have found. And it is 2.6 bits. H of s equal to 2.57. Efficiency is 98.85. And those who are not done, take a 1 minute, do it. And if you are already done, compare it. If there is any network issue, I will reconnect again. So try to find the H of S efficiency so that you can go to the next slide. So let us go to the Vijay Lakshmi has typed, Rahul they have written the code. Now H of S, hope I'll give another few more seconds, hope most of you might are about to complete. Average length, all of you know how to find out, and all of you know how to find H of S, also efficiency. Follow the same procedure and find, and if you get the answer, type in the chat box so that I'll come to know you have completed, so that I can go to the next slide. H of S unit should be bits per message symbol. Yes, Chaitra, very good. It should be bits per message symbol, Chaitra, very good. So because we are typing now everything, sometimes preparing the PPT is not easy, even for L also. Okay, L what should be there? 2.6 Prajakta, 2.6 bits per. Very good, Chaitra and Prajakta. You type your answers also if possible, Chaitra, Prajakta. And let us go to the next. If a few students type their answers, we will switch over to the next slide. Copy down the example. Given the messages x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6 with the respective probabilities with the respective probabilities 0.4, 0.2, one more 0.2, 0.1, 0.07, 0.03. I repeat the probabilities 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.07, 0.03. Construct a binary code. Construct a binary code applying binary code by applying Huffman encoding procedure. Huffman encoding procedure. Determine the efficiency and redundancy of the code so formed. Determine the efficiency and redundancy of the code so formed. Follow the same procedure. Simply arrange them in the order. And find out the code words. At the bottom two, arrange them in the descending order. Take a 1 minute or 2 minutes you can take to write the codes. And once if you complete the codes, then you can go for a average length and entropy followed by the efficiency. Anyway, I'll show you the answers also. So let us take a okay, many students they have typed x1 x2 already. Adnya, Parameshwara, Ruhan, Nivedita, Varsha, Jannavi, Charan, Devidas, Rahul, Shivani, Prithviraj, Geeta, Vidya, Preeti, Abhiroop, Joshi, Simran, BM Spurti, Monica has typed, very good. And Praveen Patil, Vidya, Gaura, Haveri, Abhishek Kulkarni, X4 they have typed, X3 they have typed. So I'll show you the codes also. You can compare. Vishwa has typed 000X3, correct. Jaysurya, Monica has typed X3, Karthik, Jaysurya, Geeta, Janvi. They are typing for different symbols and codes. And Karthik XY has typed. Simran has typed 2 zeros. Please check it. Simran is correct, I think 20110X5. Nivedita is also correct. And Spurti 0010 correct X4. Tejasvi, Sahasana, Geeta, Rohit, Chaitra, Kulkarni, all are typing the answers, all are correct. Shilpa 0010X4 correct. Tajuddin, Vijay Lakshmi, Vishwa. Okay, all the answers are almost, they are completed up to X6. And Nivedita has typed X6, Praveen, Sahasana, Shivani, X4 she has typed. Parshvanath, Monica, Rohit, Gaura. Good. Vidya has typed X6, Simran, all are typing X6. Arjun Ambekar, Tajuddin, Geeta, Devraj, Mallikarjun, Sauchanya has typed X6. Okay. So now Preeti has typed X4. Do it. Varsha has done X6. Vinay Aditya Hiryamat has typed X6. All are saying Vinay. Very good. Tejasvi Hegde. Lohit has typed all X6 are correct. X4 is correct. And now find out the average length. Average length Karthik Gangir has typed 2.3. Bharat Kulkarni has typed X6. Parshvanath has typed 2.3. Pragati has typed. Abhishek Kulkarni has typed. Adnya has typed 2.3. Spurti, all are typing 2.3. Charan, Praveen, Nivedita, Shivani, Shilpa, all are getting same. Simran also got 2.3. Geeta has got 2.3. Vidya Kalkeri has got 2.3. Aditya, Jaysurya, Prithviraj, Vijay Lakshmi, Vinay. Priya Patil got 2.3. Vineet, Rohit, Nayak Lohit, all are getting same answer. Shahasan 2.3, Gaurya, Monica, all of you are doing or not? Good. Bharat. So let me go to the H of S. H of S you try to find out so that you can find the efficiency. Preeti has typed x5 equal to 0 0 110. It is x5 0 0 110. Correct, Preeti. Rohan, Devraj, Vishwa, all they have typed L average length. And let us go to the H of S and you can find out efficiency. Take a minute and find out the H of S. Tejasvi has typed x6, very good. Chaitra Kulkarni has typed 2.21. Spurti has typed 2.21. Tejasvi has typed average length L equal to 2.3. And 2.21 Charan has typed H of S. Jahnavi, efficiency she has calculated, very good, 96.08. Shilpa has typed 2.21 and Geeta has typed 2.2. Nivedita 96.08. Abhishek also same answers. Purti also same answer. And Chaitra Adnya has typed 2.21. Chaitra got 96%. Bharat correct. All are getting same answers. Simran, Shilpa, Preeti, Shivani. These Preeti 2.3 is a L. Shivani 2.21H. Adnya efficiency 96.08. Same answer. Let me show the H of S. And H of S 2.209 I got. It's a 2.21. Many students have typed. It's correct. And now find out the efficiency. All of you know efficiency. Most of the students they have got 96.08. Simply fill the values and calculate. You can do into 100 so that you will get efficiency, and redundancy you can find out 100 minus. Simran has typed 3.9 redundancy, Prajakta 96.09. Parshvanath has typed the percentage correct. Nivedita has typed redundancy. Priya Patil, Sahasana. All are getting same answer. Shivani, Geeta, Pragati, Adnya, Rohit, Varsha, Amruta, Malagi. Okay, she has typed. Vijayalakshmi, Vinay, Abhirup Joshi, Vishwa, Vidya, 95.65. Vidya got. Others have got 96 and 3.9% Prajakta R. Okay. Jay Surya has typed Aditya and Preeti has typed same 96%. Devraj 96.04. Parmeshwara 3.96. Geeta 3.96 redundancy. Okay. I'll show you the answers. I think 2.96 I got. I don't know. Is it 3 or 2? It should be 3.96 I think. 96. Yes. It's a 3.9296 is correct answer. So let us go to the next. If you all completed this, you can go to the next problem. I will pause for a. Consider zero memory source with a S equal to S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7 with the probabilities P equal to 0.4, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.05 and 0.05. Construct a binary Huffman code by placing the composite symbol as low as you can. Repeat the step 1, the same problem, by moving the composite symbol as high as possible. One is as low as possible and there is as high as possible. In each of the cases, 1 and 2, compute the variance of the word lengths and comment on the result. Hope most of you have copied this. You can start. First, arrange them in the order. Same procedure you follow, but one word you remember. Symbols as low as, what you are doing regularly is as low as you can. That only you are doing in your regular. First one you can complete. Second is also same, but only you have to put as high as possible. I'm sure first one is same what you have done so far. Complete this and try to find out the codes and find out the average length, H of S, as well as find out the efficiency. The same thing you have to repeat for the remaining also. So just I am copying your content. Variance, how we can find out? A summation I equal to 1 to 7 pi li minus L whole square. Fill the values. Pi, li and L. Find out the variance. I'll show you the answer also. After a few students, if they type answers in the chat box. Okay, most of the students are getting 2.25. Monica got 2.27. So I got 2.25. Monica, you can cross verify. You can do it again later. Now you note down the answer. Shivani 2.25. Arjun 2.25. Chaitra 2.25. Most of them they are reading 2.25 only. So let us go to the next. Now what I have to do? Saujanya got 2.25. Vidya 2.35 she got. You can just note down 2.25. You can check it again whenever you are free. Okay, now she typed 2.25. Shahasan 2.25. Makandar. Okay, let me go to the next. Now you have to do as high as possible. For example, as low as possible, let me show you the previous slide so that you can understand as high as possible you can do it. See, in this, observe carefully, when the answer was 0.2, we have kept as low as possible. As high as possible means 0.2 I had to write above, this 0.2 I had to write below. For example, here, when I add this 0.2, instead of keeping here, I have to keep it as high as possible. 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, these two 0.2 will come down. Instead of keeping below, as high as possible when they are equal. Okay? So now 0.4 is there. Instead of keeping here, you can take above. See, don't do that. 0.2 is there directly above the 0.4 you cannot take. It should be in the decreasing order only. Hope all of you got the idea. Repeat the problem. Do it. And I'll try to show you the result after 1 minute. Take 2 minutes also, no problem. Most of the students, they are become very fast. Compared to offline class, online class, everybody is typing. For some students, it is becoming a headache. They say it is very difficult to do it. But when majority are doing, you have to practice. For some students, it will be difficult. But remember, competition is there. Everywhere in the GATE exam, everywhere they expect you to know the answer. As fast as possible, you have to give the answer in competitive examination that you are practicing here. That's all. I'll give you 2 or 3 minutes. The average length is given by L equal to, and most of you have typed 2.5 you got, it is correct answer. And let me go to the H of S. Very good. Nivedita, Rohan, Arjun, Priya Patil, Divraj, Eminur, Adnya, Vijay Lakshmi, all are getting 2.5. Pragati, Abhishek, Varsha, Vishwa, Nayak Lohit, Prajakta, Shilpa, Vidya Kalkiri, Jesurya, Devidas. Most of them they are getting 2.5 only. Geeta, Siddharth got 2.5 average length. So let me go to the HFS now. And most of the students, they have found already the efficiency. And variance also I want you people to find out before you go to the efficiency. Most of them, they have completed efficiency. Now you can at least find out the variance. Very good. Parshvanath, Vinay, Shivani, Shilpa, Simran, Prajakta, Parameshwar, Hegde. They completed efficiency, redundancy, everything. Now let them calculate the variance for this. Nivedita has typed Priya Patil, Parameshwara, Deviraj. Deviraj has typed 96.8. Vishwa efficiency 96.8. Preeti, same answer. Parshvanath, Rohit, Savalgi, Vijay Lakshmi, Belvaniki, Devi Das, all got a same efficiency. Shahasena, Arjun Ambekar, redundancy he has typed. And you try to find out the variance also. All your efficiency what you have shown are correct. So just read it once and we'll go to the next. We'll try to conclude today's class now.